Hey guys, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm showing you how to carry your yarn when you're doing color work. You can carry it across a row to change the stitch in the middle of a row. You can also carry it up the side of a row, especially on those things like this square that are going to get a border. Okay, so we're turning our work here and we have 2 strands of yarn already joined. I'm going to pull one over into the back and I'm going to work over the blue here with my beige yarn. And then you do your chains, or like here I'm doing a double crochet alternative. So I'm bringing the color, the second color, across and working over that strand. And then I'll keep holding that color across the top of my stitches as I work the second color into the stitch and over that new color of yarn. To change colors on my double crochet, I start my double crochet in the first color, drop that color and pull it to the back, pick up the yarn I carried and finish my double crochet in that color, and now that color's ready to go. Then I will work the new color stitches while carrying the yarn of my first color over the top of the stitches, and I will work my stitch over that. Here I'm working a bobble stitch, so it works for regular stitches and special stitches as well, because you're really carrying it across the top of the row. Last yarn over is going to be in the new color, so drop the first, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through in the second. Tighten everything up there, and then again we're just carrying the yarn across the top of the stitches, and we can work the new color and have that first color ready to switch back to. At the end of the row, you're going to do the same thing where you start your stitch in the color you're working, drop it to the back, pick up your next and finish your stitch. And this is the color that you're going to start your next row with. So you have that one on the hook, bring your other color around into the back, trap it, do your chains, bring your color across the top of your stitches that you're going to carry, and just work in your new color at the beginning of the row, carrying your next color across. In most color work patterns, you're not going to notice the strands of yarn that you carry because you're changing colors anyway, so it goes with those colors.